February 17th, 2025, Pearson Airport, Toronto, standing right outside Terminal 3, American Drive. There was an incident a few hours ago involving a Delta Airlines flight from Minneapolis. It skidded off the runway upon landing here in Toronto. As a result, many arrivals and departures have been canceled, and also a huge snowstorm hit Toronto over the weekend. So apparently there were about 80 people on board. Fortunately, they evacuated all the passengers. There are a few people in hospitals. So hopefully they're all right. And farther down along Airport Road, all the snow is piled up along the sidewalk. So it's difficult to see, but for now, I'll make my way inside Terminal 3 and see what is happening inside. I'm inside Terminal 3 arrivals area, and looking at the board. So most flights are either canceled or delayed. Shows only the Vegas flight that is on time. And there's a notice here, Airline flight DL4819. That is the plane that skidded off the runway. I asked one of the airport employees if flight cancellations are because of the accident, and all they said was there was an incident at the airport. Contact your airline. Now, of course, I understand. As per their job, they cannot give out more information. And right now, there are quite a bit of passengers here. There is a big lineup. This is for ground level transport. And Terminal 3 is the terminal from where Delta Airlines flies. So I will make my way up to the departures level. Excuse me. So once again, all the thoughts, well wishes, and prayers are with the passengers, crew, and their families. So this is about the middle of the departures level, and this is Flair Airlines. It's the discount Canadian airline. And Delta's gates. I'm going to see, because they always used to be down that end. Okay, Porter Airlines check-in. Okay, there is a bug on this board. We'll go over there. There are the Delta and American Airlines gates. Currently, no one is flying out. Just a few people here and there. And here on the board, departures. Yes, so most flights are canceled or delayed.
Hey, Luna.
And of course, it is very cold and windy tonight. And there were also delays and cancellations over the weekend because of the snow. Making my way down to the other end. So you have here Iceland Air and British Airways counter. And this is the lineup for the 10:05 p.m. British Airways flight to Heathrow. And it says that check-in is temporarily suspended. It does say that the flight is scheduled on time.